Hello everyone. Welcome to Sticky English Class with John and Mateo. I'm John, your English teacher.
And I'm Mateo, your student and maybe your friend.
Yes, of course, Mateo. Today we have a very nice episode. We're going to talk about your home, your evening, and your night routine.
Yes, we'll learn simple English words to talk about things at home, food, and what we do at night.
Perfect. And remember, dear listener, speak with us, repeat the words, and have fun. Let's start with some evening greetings. When you see someone at night, you can say, "Good evening." Let's repeat, "Good evening."
Good evening.
And when you go to sleep, you say, "Good night."
Good night.
Perfect. Repeat after us, everyone. Good evening. Good night.
Good evening. Good night.
Nice. Now, a short dialogue. Mateo, ready?
Yes, teacher.
Hi, Mateo. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good evening.
Good evening.
Very good, very natural. Now, let's learn some numbers. We use numbers all the time, for things, for money.
Let's start slow from 1 to 10.
Perfect. I'll say the number, and you and our listeners repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great job. Now faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent.
At home, I count things. For example, 1 bed, 2 pillows, 3 cups.
Very good example, Mateo. Now, listeners, repeat after us. 1 bed, 2 pillows, 3 cups.
Nice and simple.
Now, let's learn the days of the week. Mateo, do you know the first one?
Yes, Monday.
Correct. Let's say all of them slowly. Repeat after me, everyone. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. Now, let's use them in small sentences. I clean my room on Monday.
I cook dinner on Tuesday.
I watch TV on Friday.
I relax on Sunday.
Same here. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Repeat one sentence. I relax on Sunday.
I relax on Sunday.
Great job. Now let's go inside the house. What can we see? Let's start with the bedroom.
In the bedroom, I have a bed, a pillow, and a blanket.
Yes. Repeat with us, everyone. Bed, pillow, blanket.
Bed, pillow, blanket.
Now, the living room. In the living room, we have a sofa, a TV, and a table.
Sofa, TV, table.
Good. In the kitchen, we have a plate, a cup, and a spoon.
Plate, cup, spoon.
Now, let's make a small game. I'll say the room, and you say one object. Ready?
Ready.
Bedroom,
Bed,
kitchen,
cup,
living room.
Sofa.
Excellent. Let's ask our listeners to repeat. Bed, cup, sofa.
Bed. Cup. Sofa.
Perfect. Now, one of my favorite topics, food and drinks.
Yummy.
Yes. Let's say some common foods we eat at night. For example, rice, bread, soup, and salad.
Rice, bread, soup, salad.
Perfect. And drinks, water, milk, tea, juice.
Water, milk, tea, juice.
Very good. Now, small sentences. I drink water.
I eat rice.
I drink tea at night.
I eat bread with butter.
Excellent. Let's do a little practice for the listener. Repeat after us, everyone. I eat soup.
I drink juice.
I eat salad.
I drink milk.
Nice job, everyone. Now, Matteo, let's talk about what we do at night, our daily routines.
Yes, my night routine starts at 7 o'clock. I eat dinner.
Good. And after dinner?
After dinner, I take a shower.
Perfect. Then what?
I brush my teeth, watch TV, and read a book.
Nice and calm. And when do you go to bed?
At 10 o'clock.
That's a healthy routine. Now, let's teach the listeners the main verbs. Eat, shower, brush, watch, read, sleep.
Eat, shower, brush, watch, read, sleep.
Excellent. Now, sentences for practice. I eat dinner.
I take a shower.
I brush my teeth.
I watch TV.
I read a book.
I go to sleep.
Let's repeat together, everyone. I eat dinner. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to sleep.
Wonderful.
Now, Matteo, can I try to say my full night routine in English?
Of course, Matteo. Go ahead.
Okay. I eat dinner. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to sleep.
Bravo, Matteo. That was perfect.
Thanks, teacher. Now it's your turn, listener. Can you repeat Matteo's night routine with us, slowly? I eat dinner. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to sleep.
You did it.
Okay, friends, time to review what we learned today.
Yes, let's remember.
We started with greetings. Hello, hi, good evening, good night.
Then we learned numbers 1 to 10.
And the days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
We also learned about home objects: bed, pillow, cup, sofa.
And about food and drinks, rice, soup, tea, juice.
Finally, we practiced daily activities: eat, shower, brush, watch, read, sleep.
Exactly. Now, Matteo, let's say one short goodnight dialogue for practice.
Okay.
Good evening, Mateo.
Good evening, John.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What do you do at night?
I eat dinner, I watch TV, and I go to sleep.
Good night, Mateo.
Good night, John.
And good night to you, dear listener. Sleep well, dream in English, and keep practicing.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.